In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Affirm account 2025 step by step. We'll walk through the official Affirm Help Center so you can quickly reach the right team and get your account back on track. Keep your device handy, and if you're already signed into your Affirm account, that will make things even smoother. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Affirm support. Look for the official Affirm Help Center result. You'll know you're in the right place when the site clearly shows the Help Center homepage with search and contact options. Once you're on the Help Center, use the page to either look up answers or proceed straight to contacting support. For account-specific issues, contacting them directly is usually the fastest path, so go ahead and choose the Contact Us option on the page. When prompted to pick a topic, select My Account. This ensures your request is routed to the team that handles sign-in problems, profile issues, verification concerns, and other account-related questions. If the next screen doesn't match your exact situation, choose something else. This tells the system you need a more tailored solution and helps you reach additional options. From there, select. I am experiencing a technical issue with my account. This is the right choice for things like trouble logging in, errors in the app, issues linking information, or unexpected prompts that block access. If the suggested articles don't resolve your issue, click I still need help. This expands your support options so you can speak with a real person. At this point, you can start a chat. You'll be asked to log in so support can securely verify your account. After you sign in, click Chat with us to connect. Have a brief description of the issue ready, along with any error messages you've seen and the device you're using. For your security, never share passwords or full sensitive details in chat. The agent will guide you on what's needed. If you prefer to speak to someone, you can also call them. Use the phone number displayed on the Affirm Help Center contact page so you're sure you're reaching the official line. Good news, the approximate wait time is usually less than a minute. If it's busy, hang tight. Agents tend to pick up quickly, and staying on the line is often faster than calling back. When you're ready, place the call using the support number shown on the Help Center. Explain that you're experiencing a technical issue with your account and reference any steps you've already tried. That's it. By following these steps, you'll reach the right Affirm support channel and get help fixing your account quickly and securely.